The man who never rang the bell. Every morning at exactly 5:30 a.m., an old man stood outside a factory gate. He didn't work there. He didn't beg. He didn't speak to anyone. He simply stood there, holding a small notebook. Workers noticed him, day after day, year after year. Some laughed, some ignored him. Some felt uncomfortable. Maybe he's waiting for someone, they thought. But no one ever saw anyone come. The curiosity. One day, a young man named Ethan finally asked him, "Sir, why do you stand here every day?" The old man smiled gently. "I'm waiting for the bell," he said. Ethan looked confused. "The factory bell rings every hour." The old man shook his head. "Not that bell. My bell." The story begins. The old man opened his notebook. Its pages were yellow, filled with dates. 30 years ago, he began, I worked in this factory. I was ambitious, hungry, restless. He worked hard, but not smart. He waited for promotion, for recognition, for the right time. One day, he said, my manager told me, "When you're ready, ring the bell in my office. We'll talk about your future." The old man laughed softly, but I never rang it. The waiting trap. "Why?" Ethan asked. The old man sighed. "I thought, I'll ring it after one more year, after I'm more prepared, after I'm more confident." Days became months, months became years. Life got busy. Marriage, children, bills, responsibilities. The bell was always there, he said. But courage, I kept postponing. The day everything changed. One morning, the old man continued, I came to work and found the factory closed. Bankruptcy, new owners, new management. The bell was gone. So was the opportunity. The regret. I didn't lose my job that day, he said. I lost my chance. I worked elsewhere, I survived, but every night one thought haunted me. What if I had rung the bell? Years later, when the factory reopened, the old man came back, not to work, but to remember. The notebook. Ethan pointed at the notebook. What are these dates? The old man smiled sadly. These are the days I almost rang the bell. Hundreds of dates, hundreds of chances. Regret, he said, is not loud. It's quiet, and it waits for you forever. The lesson. The old man looked straight at Ethan. Tell me something, he asked. What bell are you not ringing? Ethan felt a knot in his chest. His dream business, his fear of failure, his excuses. I think I know, Ethan whispered. The ending. The old man closed the notebook. One day, he said, you wake up and realize time doesn't wait for readiness. You either ring the bell or you spend your life standing outside. That was the last day Ethan saw him. But the next morning, Ethan rang his own bell. Powerful moral for attention. Opportunities don't disappear. They get replaced. Fear sounds like logic, but it's still fear. The biggest regret is not failure, but never trying.